Yo, look, I wanted to do this for a long time now, right? But I ain't never find the time to do it. Listen, yesterday, me and my best bitch together, you heard me? I say, man, a lot of us right out here today, man, getting these dope dealers, these motherfucking phone posits, you know what I'm saying? They ain't telling you the actual truth behind these motherfuckers. Nigga feet be jamming and summertime ready come. Man, listen, me and my people together last night, right? Sure, we go up to 7-Eleven, get a big shot of coffee, right? No bullshit. I go all, you know what I mean? I'm all slick and shit. You understand me? Low down or whatever, however that, you know what I'm saying? I carry myself, right? I'm the bread man. I'm a fat motherfucker. You understand me? So therefore, when I'm telling my story, it got to be the absolute truth. I come up in there, you know what I'm saying? I see a little few bitches or whatever. I had the phone, I had the dunkers on, right? Little dunkers. Shorty. I turns the corner to the right, them bitches, my feet go to the left, so I said, what the fuck is going on? So I feel a little water going below, right, on the sweat tip, right? I say, God damn it, you understand me? I said, what the fuck? So I go in the house on some slick shit, have my bestie with me, I ain't let her know nothing. I goes upstairs, get the run of the shot, take some bitches, I say, what the fuck is going on? Them bitches got the moment. Them bitches go in the corner, they stand up on the heels. I say, God, them bitches get the, yo, shorty, listen, the hologram on the night, son, that bitch turned back, was like this. You feel me? That bitch was done. But look, another note, man, I'm trying to tell y'all, man, look. Breadman Comedy Series coming soon. I got a whole lot of shit for y'all. YouTube, Facebook, everything is going down. Fuck with me, I'm getting on everybody. But I'm going to start with myself first because I'm in this shit. You feel me? And I'm going to tell you what the bread represents. Not only do it represents the acronym Brothers Recognize Evolution Advocates Diplomacy, man. Fuck that. This is what I'm doing. I pay like I weigh. You got a problem with how I'm built? Fuck you. Pay me, you understand me? But at the same time, I'm laying it down. I'm fucking with you with the hook. Bread. You know what I'm talking about?
And he don't do no drugs.
And I don't do no drugs, no grass, no liquor.
No,
it's Jehovah, you understand me?
Shit. Make no sense.
And I'm dancing with the Bibles, bitch, you understand me? Flat out, Woody. But look, man, look.
Straight up.
Man, look, straight up, Kevin. Another thing, man. Another thing, man. Listen, man, another motherfucking thing, man. I'm out, I'm up. Anybody want it, man. I draw crowds, man. I'm a funny motherfucker. I get on your mother, your sister, your grandmother, your babies, your aunts, uncles. I don't give a fuck. The bitch got telepathy. They getting got. You know what I'm saying? Bitch can have 2 toes, 1 elbow, and a half a motherfucking fingernail. That bitch getting got. You understand me? Shit. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? But like I said, man, this clip is definitely going on YouTube or Facebook at a theater near you. Google bread.com because the shit that I spit, I just told you to Google, but you really can't though. You know what I'm talking about? And I ain't even got my own website. Dumb.